Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Back on the truck, doing some work. If you didn't see the last video, got new headlights. I don't know if you guys saw, we had some issues with the first ones we bought, and then bought another set. Those were a fail too, so finally found a set that actually works. So I'll link that one up in the corner. But what we're working on today is this chrome. So obviously it's not the best looking, so I'm gonna go pull all that off, and hopefully it doesn't look like too much crap underneath it. So what I'm doing is just using the heat gun, heat it up, and then you can just pull it off. It should come off fairly easy, so we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, got all the chrome off. Now we just gotta get all this glue. So hopefully a heat gun, and seems like you should be able to just heat it up a little bit and it should come off fairly easily. But we do have a problem here. This paint is literally just falling off. So that really freaking sucks, but what do you do? Alright guys, I need to find another method. That is going to take all day. So I'm going to see what else I can figure out. Let you guys know what I end up doing, because this is going to take way too long. And my thumb already freaking hurts. Alright guys, I'm going to hold off for taking this stuff off. I bought one of those 3M eraser wheels, so once that shows up, I'll tackle that. So for now I'm going to get the rest of this chrome off of this side. Alright guys, we're done, and more bad news. More peeling paint there, and some Bondo in here. That didn't exactly stay on the truck either, so what do you do? Not a big deal. I think when I do paint this thing, I'm gonna do the road guard stuff, the textured road guard up to this body line, so it'll cover a lot of that nasty crap up. Anyway, so yeah, once I get that 3M wheel, we can go through and get all this glue off. So I'll see you guys when I get that wheel in. Alright guys, we got the eraser wheel in. So this is a 3M product. Supposed to work pretty freaking good, so I'm gonna throw it on the drill and see what it does to this crap. Alright, we got that door done. Went a lot faster than I thought it would, so the thing is working pretty sweet. So I'm gonna see what I can do, blow the rest of this crap. Then just got some acetone. I'm gonna give it a wipe down with that. Should clean it up pretty good. Alright guys, there it is. Looks a lot better. So I really wish that crap wasn't falling off of it, but I'm gonna go through, get the rest of the side done. There we go, boys. Got it all off. So now we can go tackle this other side. Something didn't seem to leave as much on, so just go a little faster on this side. So I'm gonna bust that out and show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. All right, there it is, boys. Looking a lot better. So I'm gonna get the GoPro mounted up on the truck and we'll go do a little driving. Questions about gearing and how this thing does. It's got the stock 410 gears and the tranny's obviously the stock V6 Toyota tranny, and it's actually pretty freaking spot on gearing with 410s and 35s. So I'll show you. Obviously my speedo's off by about 6-7 miles an hour at 60. So I'll get her up to 60. So that's about 60 miles an hour right there. And I barely got any foot on the gas. And it cruises pretty good. And EGTs are almost 800. So yeah, as far as gearing goes, it's pretty happy with it. I was thinking I might need to go lower, like a 488, but I think I'm gonna leave it for now and see how it does. So hopefully that answers some of your questions about the gear ratios. We got into a little issue here. Apparently everything's wrong with my truck. It's got fenders, no fender flares, no mud flaps, tires stick out too far, frame rails are too high. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, just got back from a little drive. So as you saw, I got yanked over. Guy was not too happy. He comes out with a tape measure, starts measuring everything on my truck. And he gave me a paper that showed the legal height of the bottom of your bumper, front and rear. And the front is supposed to be 27 inches, no more than 27 inches, which mine is right at 27. And I don't have a rear bumper, so obviously that was way higher. And he, said the whole spiel about fender flares and mud flaps. So I don't know. I do want to put actually some fender flares on it, but I'm not quite sure about mud flaps. But yeah, so truck is running good, no issues. I'm trying to get some miles on it, get the clutch broken, and see if we got any more weird leaks or anything. But so far it's been pretty good. The clutch is, I haven't really been beating on it, but it seems to be holding okay. So we'll see what happens. I haven't given it, full pin in like 4th or 5th. So I'm sure it'll slip there, but try to break it in and save it if we can. If not, we'll have to upgrade to the 3.4 setup. This is still the 3.0 flywheel, which is, I believe it's 9 1/4 inches, and the V6 3.4 is 10 inch. So that in itself gives you quite a bit more grab. So we'll see what happens. I'm just trying to get some miles on, like I said, break everything in, make sure we're good. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment, subscribe, like. See you in the next one.